To check for a violation on a Facebook page, start by logging into your Facebook account and navigating to the page you want to check. Once you are on the page, click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the page. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Select the option that says Page Quality. This will take you to a new page that provides information about the page's quality and any potential issues. On this page, you will see a section that says Page Violations. This section will list any violations that Facebook has detected on the page. If there are any violations, they will be listed here along with the date they were detected and the type of violation. The types of violations can range from spamming to hate speech, and each type of violation has a different set of consequences. To resolve a violation, click on the Learn More button next to the violation. This will take you to a page that explains the type of violation and the steps you need to take to resolve it. Follow the instructions provided to resolve the issue and avoid any further action from Facebook. It is also important to regularly review your page's content and ensure that it complies with Facebook's community standards. This can help prevent violations from occurring in the first place and keep your page safe. In addition to checking for violations, you can also use Facebook's built-in tools to monitor your page's activity and detect any potential issues. For example, you can use Facebook Insights to track your page's engagement and reach, and use Facebook's reporting tools to report any suspicious activity. By following these steps and regularly reviewing your page's content, you can help ensure that your Facebook page is compliant with Facebook's community standards and avoid any potential violations. Remember to always follow Facebook's guidelines and terms of service to keep your page safe and active.